topic will be the debug move. So move tries to, from the word itself, move a block of memory location to another memory location. So for an example, so I will have here, I've already entered a value. So let's display the content of memory location 100. So it has a content of rosemary. And then also display another memory location 202, 209. So it outputs the content rosemary actually. So this time we would like to copy a block of memory location. Say I will copy the Mary, so the memory location Mary to the ROSE. So in that case, I have to move. So the command is move. So what is the address of Mary? So let's wait. The Mary part, so ROSEMARY. So this particular part to this part. So I will be copying that here. Okay, so Mary. Okay, so to do that, so let me just in that case, what is the address of this one? So that will be 200, 201, 202, 203, 204. So block of 204. So 204. Okay, so 204 to 204, 200, 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 5, 6, 7. So 207. And then I will copy that at memory location 100. So let's display the content of 100 to 109. So now it has Mary. Mary. Okay, so that's how you do the copying of the block. So let's try this given example. So we enter at memory location. So let's change the content. So whatever, so at 02, 0200, 200. So let's enter the content Mapua University. Okay. And then so let's display the content of 200, 200 to Mapua University. So the 200, 200. Why it's not outputting? So this time let's fill a certain memory location with value. So fill 200 to 230 with values Mapua. Okay, and then so let's move. So let's display the content of 300 to, so that the content of 300, so it's all clear. So let's move a certain location. Say I would like you to output to copy the content of memory location 205. So here, so we would like to capture the content of memory location 20F up to 215. Okay, so from 20F to 205. So what will be the content for what will be the content of 20, so 20F to 215, was that to the memory location 350. Okay, so this time, so let's display first the content of 20F and 2215. Okay, so that's the content 20F to 205. And so as you can see, and so let's now display the content of 350. So 350, so mapuwa ma. So you have here, from here to here, and this is the same. Okay, so for your exercise, I would like you to enter a value. So enter a value in a paragraph starting from 310. Okay, so use range to enter. So second one is to move 13 bytes of data to memory location 370. So that will be your activity. So submit in the link the solution. Okay, which means yung memory content and command. Okay.